Hey guys, it's Melissa here and welcome back to my channel. This video has been requested a long time ago, but I just didn't know how to do it exactly. So I'm just putting it all together and hope for the best. Since turning blonde a couple of years ago, I really learned the hard way. And now that my hair is healthier, I just wanted to share with you the products that I use and the steps I take to maintain it. I haven't had a haircut in about 7 months and I'm not planning to have one soon. Let's start with shampoo. I don't usually stick to one brand and often try different ones out, but I do have my favorites. One being the Vichy Oil Control Shampoo and two, my husband's Bedhead Shampoo and Conditioner. I wash my hair every other day and once every 2 weeks I use a purifying or clarifying shampoo, which is a deep cleansing shampoo to remove stubborn buildup. My favorites are firstly Joico Clarifying Shampoo, secondly the Body Shop Purifying Shampoo and Conditioner, which we are going to use today. As I mostly wash my hair this way, you won't be seeing me taking a shower. Lucky you. I don't actually need to tell you how I wash my hair, but I always shampoo twice just because it makes my hair feel cleaner. When it comes to conditioning, I make sure to use plenty and only apply more towards the ends, of course, and never to the roots, especially since my hair is a bit oily. It will make it feel dirty the day after. Leave in the conditioner at least 2 minutes, 5 or longer if you like. After towel drying my hair, this is the step I never skip, using my It's a 10 Miracle leave-in product. Kind of makes no sense when you just cleanse your hair, but this has helped my hair throughout the years. Then it's just brush with, I highly recommend a Tangle Teaser. I then just simply blow dry as you normally do. And of course, before I use any direct heat on my hair, I use a heat protector like this one by Tresemme to protect it. Then you can do whatever you want, curling, straightening, or leave it as it is, and I usually straighten my hair almost every day. This is how my hair looks like when I don't blow dry, to show you the difference, as it doesn't look healthy at all. It just looks really fluffy. That's it. I hope the video was helpful, and please give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.